Hello everyone, this is Divine Rewarding Services Limited. Sorry, cut it. Let's start. Huh? Hello everyone, this is Divine Rewarding Services Limited, situated at number 44 Library Street off Aminu Kano Crescent, Wuse, Abuja, Nigeria. I'm Egere Emily Chinyere from Zenvus Media Limited, and we have the privilege today of talking to the founder of an amazing product called Rewarding Soil Water Trap. The founder will soon be enlightening us about this product and demonstrate to us the use and how and when to use it and the benefit of this product to humanity. Good day, sir. It's nice to be here, and we are happy that you invited us to have this interview with you. We have been eager to know about this product. Could you please introduce yourself to us, sir?
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
My name is Chief Uche Silva Alade Okemwa of Uruala, Chairman, Chief Executive Officer of Divine Rewarding Services Limited.
Okay.
Thank you.
So, sir, what is the reason behind this wonderful innovation, and how can this be applied in agriculture all over Nigeria?
Actually, Rewarding Water Trap is a solvent, a super solvent.
Sorry, sir, can you cut it?
I missed out.
Yeah, you start by what is rewarding.
Okay, let's start from hello, sir, so we can join that. Okay. Hello, sir. Can you briefly introduce yourself to us?
My name is Chief Uche Silva Alade Okemwa of Uruala, Chairman, Chief Executive of Divine Rewarding Services Limited.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Thank you.
What is Rewarding Soil Water Trap?
Rewarding Soil Water Trap is a super solvent,
Okay. I like what he replied the first time. He said Rewarding Soil Water Trap is rewarding. I like that first one.
Okay.
Okay. Hello, sir. Can you briefly, or do I start from there or from what is? Okay. So, what is Rewarding Soil Water Trap?
Soil water trap is rewarding soil water trap that is rewarding, and is a super solvent polymer made for the farmers for easing farming in the whole world.
Okay. So, what is the reason behind this innovation, and how can this be applied in agriculture everywhere?
Actually, rewarding soil water trap is a water-saving product.
Okay.
It has the capacity to retain water in the soil for 4 years.
Wow.
But because of the nature of our climate in Nigeria, we are assuming that even at 2 years, retaining water in the soil is a good omen for the farmers. Is rewarding water trap is another name of it is manual irrigation. It saves a lot of money. Instead of you cultivating irrigation all over Nigeria, you can use it as a harrowing in the farm and use it to retain water, because the work of polymer is to retain water in the soil for the crop to use. Especially
So you should kick off from there.
yeah. So it's a polymer that helps to retain water in the soil for the farmers. It has the capacity to retain the water for at least 4 years. And because of our climate situation in Nigeria, we assume that if we have up to 2 years in Nigeria before we go back to soil and then join up with earth, it has a lot of sorry.
Cut, you can continue.
It has a lot of benefits for the farmers, especially retaining water. And when you mix it with the soil on the ground, you have the capacity to retain the water for the crop to grow, especially supplying the water and with the nutrient. You can imagine when you use any organic fertilizer, bury 2 of them in the soil, and in any harvesting period, you are sure of bumper harvest, and especially you can harvest in a particular place for more than 4 times in a year.
Wow.
So it's an advantage. It's something that a product that have to do with the dry farming season, which has been lacking in Nigeria.
Yeah.
So farmers will smile to bank with the
innovation.
approach of with this innovation.
That's so wonderful, and it's a good thing to know that there's a product like this, and farmers are going to be happy about it, and it will help the economy, also boost the economy. May we know when this product was founded?
It was founded. We launched this product in Nigeria in 2015.
Okay.
And you know, new things are always difficult, especially our people are always interested in what they know. So we have been working behind the clock and working with some government agencies, especially introducing the new product. And today is no more new because we have testimonies from farmers who have tested the product. Even right now, we are trying to use the politicians. For them, instead of dashing people 1,000, 5,000, if they give any of the voters, because they are fighting to get more votes, if they use water trap in giving it to farmers, 1 kg of water trap can have the capacity to give the farmer up to 150,000 in reward. And not only giving them the water trap, it's like when you are trying to teach somebody, a farmer, how to farm, or instead of dashing somebody fish, you show the person how to fish. And I'm sure that after using the water trap for the politics, they will surely come back to the inventor of this product, because they are not going back to the politician. They will surely look for the product in the market. Because of the benefits, they will surely look, because it's a practical product.
So, aside from agriculture, are there any other areas of specialization rewarding can be applied to?
Yes, that is why we even invite you people to help us. Any way that we can advertise and introduce this product to the people in the world, because it has a lot to do with Nigeria, especially in Nigerian climate. There's part of Nigeria that droughts always happen, almost frequent, especially in the northern part of Nigeria. And with the rewarding water trap, you have nothing to fear. You can use the water trap to control devastation, that is desert devastation in the north, and the control of erosion in the southeast. It has a lot to do with the Nigerians, especially on the area of controlling erosion and the desert desertification. So there's a lot of benefit in using water trap, and the more you know about it, the more you will enjoy the benefit.
So, sir, how will the target populace you have benefit from this product rewarding soil water trap?
Our own is all about teaching people how to fish. We are interested in getting more of the cooperatives. Is when you lecture the cooperatives, they will now go down to the farmers, especially on this the government program, Anchor Borrowing. We have contacted over 150 to 250 cooperatives that we are working with them, and also we have written to Minister of Agriculture and some ministers in order to create awareness for the product. It's a product that when you give it to the user, he cannot be able to take it back from him.
Okay, I want to know if this product has an expiry date, and has it passed through tests by different agencies like NAFDAC and is approved?
It's a good question. Thank you. Actually, you are not in rush of looking to solve a problem, you cause a problem. The water trap have been sent to Ahmad Bello University Research Institute, to RTC in Ibadan, and some other research institute that has the power to test, analyze, and come out with a result. And each of all these departments has already given us their certification, and their results are with us. That's only one of the reasons why we have the capacity to go to people and talk to government, even the Minister of Agriculture. We have to have the test of this product from relevant authorities, and they have done that.
Okay, that brings me to the next question, sir. It's very interesting. What you're doing is so wonderful. It's a good product, but have you had support from the government in any way to assist you in this due course, so this product can get a widespread all over the country and even beyond Africa?
You see, somebody may have the opportunity to ask you, how many lives do you touch? But you may not have the opportunity to ask you, how much do you have? The job of